Hi, this is the next video in assessment of students. So in this video, we're going to talk about selective response test questions, which are basically your multiple choice, matching, true, false, and completion. At the end of this module, you should be able to write a variety of selective response test questions and know the advantages and disadvantages of each type. So what are your selective response test questions? They're multiple choice, matching, true, false, and completion. So multiple choice, how is that created? It basically has two parts, the stem, which identifies the question, and then the response alternatives, such as, which of the following is not a primary color? And then you have your responses, red, green, yellow, or blue. So the advantages to a multiple choice question, they're highly reliable. Remember, that means you will get the same answer again and again when the answer is correct. So it is highly reliable. You can also do a wide variety of content or questions with the multiple choice. The disadvantages are that it's at the lowest level of Bloom's taxonomy, and it's just a recall of facts. And there's a high dependence on students' ability to read and the instructor's writing ability. Matching questions. Matching questions have two columns. The column on the left is called the stimuli, and then on the right you have the responses. There's usually one more response than there is stimuli, so that it limits the student's ability to just match and guess. So what are the advantages and disadvantages of a matching question? So for matching questions, it takes a short period of time to read and respond, so that's an advantage for the students. And again, it is a highly reliable question. The disadvantages, again, it's simple recall, lowest level of Bloom's taxonomy, and they can be challenging to construct. True-false questions. They only consist of two answers, true or false, such as, the Supreme Court is composed of 9 justices. True or false. Advantages, again, a wide variety of content, and it is highly reliable. The disadvantages, you have a high probability that you can guess and get it right. You have a 50-50 chance of getting it right just by guessing. And again, it's the lowest level of Bloom's taxonomy. It is a simple recall of facts. Completion questions requires them to fill in the blank, such as, in Greek mythology, blank rules as king of the gods. Advantages, again, a wide variety of content. It minimizes guessing, and it is highly reliable. Disadvantages, it's still pretty much a recall question. You either remember it or you don't, and they can be a little bit more time consuming to score. So take a minute and answer this question. What is an advantage that all the selective response questions have? This question will be scored in your grading, so don't take it lightly. It will be attached to your grade, so take some time. What is an advantage that all selective response questions have? They're easy to create, they're easy to score, they're highly reliable, or they favor recall questions. What is the advantage? Again, this one will count in your grading. What is a disadvantage that all the selective response questions have? They're hard to create, they have a wide variety of content, they're highly reliable, or they favor recall questions. What is a disadvantage that all selective response questions have? And if you have any questions, you can always post them on the discussion board, come to my office hours, or send me an email. Until next time, take care.